Hi, my name is Jeremy Laiko Elagitao. I'm from STI College Balagtas and I started singing at the age of 4.5 years old. My favorite genre is ballad dahil dito ko mas na-express yung feelings ko and also my emotions. Yung mga thoughts ko na hindi ko nagagawa through speaking, in the way of singing ko siya na ilalabas. Kasi for me, singing is a way to share my story as well as my emotions para mas ma-express and mas ma-inspire ang ibang mga tao. My biggest inspiration for joining is my lolo who died last year. Hindi siya ang una, pero siya ang pinaka nagtiwala sa talento ko. Lagi niya sinasabi, nagalingan mo anak, dahil para rin sa iyo to. Kaya through this competition, I aim to dedicate this not only to my lolo, but for everyone who never stopped in believing in me. This is Jeremy Laiko Elagitao from STI College Balagtas, your STI Singing Idol 5.